Hey guys, welcome back or welcome. I'm going to show you how to make the perfect ramen eggs. Start with boiling water, add a bit of salt to this, and then you go 7 minutes, 30 seconds. And when this time is up, you want to put them directly into ice cold water. So I'm going to get a bowl here. Boop. And you know, this is a little bit early. Don't really need to be doing this right at the moment. But if this partially melts, that's going to be good. Maybe I'll put a little bit of water in, but I'm just going to set this over here. I'm going to start my ramen like in a couple minutes though, because that takes like 3 minutes to cook. Put this up. Guys, I wasn't recording, but we got to 7.5 minutes. I put these eggs directly into ice water, turn that off. Ramen's going, eggs are in ice water. I have washed some enoki mushrooms, and I have washed some cilantro. The other thing I think I'm going to be putting in here, I've got some preserved pickled vegetable, some jellyfish, some sesame chili oil. Last but not least, some Sichuan peppercorn flavored oil. You don't want to go too hot with that. But it's not hot, it like makes your mouth numb. Alright. We had this up way too high, didn't we? Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna peel these eggs. Shell them, I guess, the term. I'm not gonna do that on camera because I need both my hands. Okay, in the interest of showing how I put everything together, I decided to free up my hands. So, we got a ramen. Oop, my bad. Let me get a fork here. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my flavoring oils. What? Sesame oil with chili and a little bit of the Sichuan peppercorn. And you can go ahead and mix that on up. Now I put the enoki mushrooms in to the cooked broth. The temperature of the broth when it's piping hot is usually enough to cook the mushrooms. Okay? Get our vegetables in here. These look like this. We get our jellyfish in here. And this is actually in a separate pouch. Okay, it's the first time I bought this. Oopsie. The jellyfish is going to give a little bit of crunch. Put that up there. Set you there. Put you there. I think this maybe goes with jellyfish. Put a little bit there. We can add our cilantro. And then our eggs. Okay, this is the important part. Make sure. Remember, this is 7.5 minutes, and you want to go directly into boiling water, and you want to take it directly out and put it directly into ice water. And that's how you get your yolks like this. Don't mess around with that formula. You don't want to put it in the water before you boil. You want to put it in after, and you want to do 7.5 minutes, and then you want to put it directly in the ice, and you want to let it go for at least a minute or two to get it to cool down before you take them out of the ice water. So this is how I like to do ramen. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.